share an important message with you. This term, our school value is respect and integrity. These values guide the way we treat others, in the classroom, on the sports field, and even on the playground.
Respect is more than just good manners. It means recognizing that every person is valuable, even when they are different. Our theme for today is respecting other differences. Each one of us is unique, and those differences can sometimes make it challenging. But when we respect those differences, they actually make us stronger, more empathetic, and more united.
Each of us is unique. We look different, we speak differently, and we learn in our own way. That's something to celebrate. Respect means listening to someone else's opinion. Even if it's not the same as yours, it means being open and kind.
If everyone is exactly the same, the world would be boring. Our differences make life interesting and full of color. Respect is just not about words, it's shown in actions, like helping a classmate, cheering for a teammate, or listening when someone else is speaking.
Look at these boots. They're all different. Some are worn out, some are shiny and new. Some are heavy, some are light.
But no single boot can win a rugby game on its own. It takes a whole team.
On the rugby field, it doesn't matter which boots you wear. What matters is how you play together and respect one another.
Respect turns a group of individuals into a winning team, just like it can turn us into a stronger school community.
These cricket bats are all different too. Some are small, some are big, some are heavy, and some are easy to swing.
One cricket bat can't win by itself. Cricket is a team sport.
When we respect our differences, we see that every bat, like every player, has a role to play.
Success in cricket comes from teamwork and respect. Success in life comes from the same.
Let's listen to each instrument on its own. The drum is strong and steady. The saxophone is smooth and powerful. The flute is bright and clear. The trombone is deep and bold. The clarinet is rich and warm.
Each instrument is wonderful on its own, but if they all play without listening to one another, it becomes noisy.
But when we respect each other's space and play in harmony, the music is beautiful.
Respect works the same way in life. When we respect our differences, we create harmony.
Respecting our differences means listening, even when we don't agree. It means showing kindness, even when it's not easy.
It means valuing every person because each of us has something special to do. Respect helps us build trust.
Respect helps us build friendships, and respect helps us build a stronger school community.
Integrity means doing what is right, everyone no one is watching. Respect and integrity together make us people who can be trusted, relied on, and looked up to.
When we respect each other's differences, we don't just get along, we grow together. Now please repeat after me. I will listen. I will care.